Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Here's your forecast for your Friday. Things looking very unsettled, very turbulent today. We have a powerful storm system moving into the area. It's going to generate showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Strongest activity happens in the afternoon and early evening. Primarily developing in Iowa. Some of it may spread northeastward into southern Minnesota. That happens during the early evening hours. Maybe a couple strong storms around Rochester. Again, the most widespread severe threat in northeast Iowa. High temperatures around 48 north of a warm front. Southward, quite a bit warmer. North Iowa may end up in the mid-60s in a few spots. Severe weather threat primarily focusing on gusty winds, damaging wind gusts 60, 70 miles per hour. We're talking about tornadoes also in that red area on this map. Northward, still severe weather risk, just not as intense, not as widespread for southern Minnesota. Timing of that, 2 o'clock until about 7 o'clock this evening for our Friday. Looking at the outlook for the rest of today, periods of rain this evening, then we transition to snow around midnight. Overnight totals around 2 to 5 inches of snowfall around Rochester. Higher amounts to the north winds on the powerful side, 40 miles per hour overnight until mid-morning on Saturday, and the winds will then subside for the afternoon hours on Saturday. But totals around the area, the highest up north, maybe 7. It's possible we'll have some isolated 8 or 9-inch totals north of Rochester in the way of snowfall in that small window of time, midnight to around 6 a.m. Very dynamic storm system, to say the least, with some thunder snow possible that could enhance that snowfall rate. Southward, inch to maybe as much as 3 or 4 inches for North Iowa and far southern Minnesota. Tomorrow, blustery day, winds subsiding in the afternoon, a cold round of sunshine though. High of 35 for your first day of April. 7-day forecast, breezy and milder Palm Sunday going from the 20s to the 50s. Next week, mostly 40s and 50s with a little bit of rain and maybe a couple of wet snowflakes between Tuesday and next Wednesday with some gusty winds. By the time we get to Easter, some sunshine, maybe low 50s for high temperatures a couple weeks from now, or a couple weekends from now anyway. Meantime, be safe today. Severe weather threat and with the road conditions of the wet, sloppy snow. Have a great weekend. See you back here on Monday.